Hey friends, Adobe just released some new crazy AI features for Photoshop beta. So today we are going to take a look at them. To use the feature, you have to have Photoshop beta. If you don't have it, go to your Adobe Creative Cloud app, go to apps, and here you can install Photoshop beta. The first new feature is generate background. The first thing you have to do is remove the background. Then here you can generate a background. In my case, I will type horse race track. So guys, we've got these results. This one is pretty good. The next very cool feature is you can generate similar results. So in my case, I will select this area and I type penguin. Guys, we got these results. I will choose this one. I will go to properties and click these three dots and I can create or generate similar results. These are the results or the similar results we got. Pretty cool, huh? Another feature is enhancing detail feature. So we have this photo, we click on lasso tool, we select an area. In my case, I will generate a monkey photo here. Guys, these are our results. I will choose this one. If we take a close look to the image, it's kind of blurry if we compare it to the actual photo. To enhance it, we go to properties panel and we click on this icon. And the image is now enhanced to a better version. Nice. This one is my favorite feature. Imagine we have a guy, we want to replace this t-shirt. We select the t-shirt. Okay. We click on generate fill and we have this icon, reference image. We click on that and choose another image. In my case, I have this jacket. I want to replace it with the current t-shirt. We select that, we open it and hit generate. Although my selection was not that good, but look how Photoshop handled the selection. It's kinda cool, isn't it? So the last feature I'm going to talk about is generate image. It's basically the Adobe Firefly AI built inside Photoshop. First, you have to create a new document at the dimension you want. Then you can click generate image here, or you can see it in the toolbar. It says generate image. We click on that. Here you paste your prompt, the prompt you have in mind. Content type, I will choose photo. We can choose either art or photo. We can upload a reference image, but in my case I don't have one. In effects tab, we can choose the style we want to generate. In my case, I will go with digital art. Yeah, let's generate one. So guys, these are our results we've got from our prompt. Isn't that fantastic? Really amazing. Thank you, Photoshop. So guys, that was it. That was the features until now we've got from the Adobe's release. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel. It will really help the channel to grow. And see you until the next one. Peace.